how are you? Let's go for a little drive. It's a little cloudy, but it's a beautiful day. And let's talk today about spiritual hoovering. Well, it comes from the vacuum. Hoover means trying to get you back sucked into the relationship. Usually we're talking about narcissists. So they lost you for whatever reason. Either you left them, they left you, and now they want you back. And they will use absolutely everything in their power to convince you that you should be back. Okay. So, what they may use: oh, I miss you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I just want to be your friend. Because maybe they're already in a different relationship. So, I just want to be thoughtful and let other people go because I'm driving slowly. And why not to do something different? You know I like different stuff. I never been here, this trip. I have no idea what's there. Why not? It's beautiful here. That's Brielle. So, they becoming BFFs, best friends forever. And all this BFF sounds like BS, really. And it really is. Because it's all about, oops, you see, it's a dead end. So, that's how it works. It's a dead end. You're not winning anything. You're not really gaining anything. It's only for their purpose to get you back. So most likely you will suffer more. Yes, they may be very desperate and use desperate measures. Hey, listen, forgive me. I'm a different person now. Yes, I was that way, but I really love you, and this time it's gonna be totally different. And oh my God, I may even get divorced, and all the money from the divorce settlement use on you and me, on us. And boy, it's gonna be beautiful, and we both like this, and we both don't like that, and blah blah and blah. So you trust them with your lives, trust them with everything, and you're forgetting the bad things that happened years ago because you want to believe them. You want to trust them. And if you're desperate for love and you're not assertive enough, you don't trust your intuition, you're gonna go back. You're gonna go back and suffer more. So that's what the spiritual hoovering is. I don't like that spiritual part, and I don't know why. Some people may use that spiritual stuff like, wow, I telepathically hear you, I feel you, I dream about you, and I want the best for you and me, and I really understand you and your pain. You see where I'm going with this spiritual stuff? I dream about you, and boy, the dreams are so vivid. And now Now this may be absolutely true. That's exactly the way it is. That's exactly what is happening. But it may be the hoovering part, okay, to suck you back in for their own reasons. And usually that's a narcissistic reasons. So that's what spiritual hoovering is. Don't let anybody suck you back in. If you believe deeply in your heart, you're using your intuition, and your heart is saying no. It doesn't sound good at all, so don't go for it. Okay, many kisses.